Can two people contract to smuggle gold, share stolen money, or pay for a crime? Even if both parties agree, it's not a valid contract. The law won't protect agreements made for unlawful purposes. This is episode 6 of the Indian Contract Act series by Nava Legal. We'll explore lawful object and consideration. Every agreement needs lawful consideration and object. Section 23 of the Indian Contract Act states that consideration or object is unlawful if forbidden by law, or if it defeats legal provisions, is fraudulent, causes injury, or is immoral or against public policy. For example, if a pays be 1 lakh rupees to smuggle goods, the consideration is forbidden by law, making the agreement void. If a promises be a commission for a government job through bribery, the object defeats the law, rendering it void. Transferring property to defraud creditors is fraudulent. Hiring someone to cause injury is also unenforceable by law. An agreement to live in an immoral arrangement for payment has an immoral and unenforceable object. The phrase opposed to public policy is broad, covering agreements that harm society's moral or economic welfare. This includes agreements to obstruct justice, trade public offices, or restrain marriage, all void on public policy grounds. Consider a publishing company contracting to print counterfeit textbooks. Though printing is lawful, violating copyright makes the object unlawful. Courts will not intervene in such severe cases. The principle is simple: no one benefits from their own wrong. Unlawful agreements leave both parties without remedy. If only part of an agreement is unlawful and can be separated, the rest may be valid. Otherwise, the whole contract collapses. For instance, a contract combining a legal business deal with an illegal bribery commission is entirely void, as the parts are inseparable. Lawful object and consideration ensure contracts serve honest purposes. The law supports trade and trust, not crime or deceit. So, when drafting a contract, ensure its purpose is clean. A tainted foundation means the structure cannot stand. Keep learning with Nava Legal, your companion in decoding the Indian Contract Act.